In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Zoom background noise. Zoom has become an essential tool for connecting with colleagues, friends, and family, allowing us to bridge the distance with just a few clicks. However, sometimes the ambient noise in our environment can create distractions during a call, leading to a less than ideal communication experience. That's where controlling the background noise feature can make a significant difference. To begin, make sure you have your Zoom application open on your computer. Now, let's locate the critical settings that will help us address this issue, making your meetings more enjoyable and productive. Look towards the bottom of your Zoom window for the toolbar. In the lower left corner, you'll see an icon labeled More, typically symbolized by 3 dots or a small menu icon. Go ahead and click on More. This section is designed to give you additional options to customize your Zoom experience to better suit your needs. Once you've clicked on More, you'll see a range of options displayed before you. You're looking for the Settings option, which usually has a gear or wrench icon next to it. Tap on Settings to open a new window that houses various customization menus. These settings allow you to tweak your audio, video, and several other aspects of your Zoom setup. Turning our focus to audio settings, navigate down until you find the Audio option. Take a moment to click on it, and you'll notice a variety of audio configurations appearing on your screen. In this section, you'll be able to adjust every audio parameter to ensure you have the best auditory experience possible while on Zoom. Now, let's scroll down through the audio settings until we find the section dedicated to noise control. You'll soon come across an area labeled Noise Removal. This feature is imperative for those chaotic moments when background noise seems unavoidable. Enabling noise removal will help reduce the interference from surrounding sounds, making your voice clearer and more distinct during calls. Be sure to activate this feature by clicking on the accompanying checkbox. With noise removal activated, direct your attention to the background noise suppression feature below. Zoom offers various levels of background noise suppression, each tailored to different environments and preferences. You can select from different levels, such as low, medium, or high, depending on how much of the surrounding sound you wish to eliminate. For quiet environments, a lower suppression may work just fine, but if you're in a noisy setting, you might want to opt for the medium or high suppression level for a noticeable difference. And that's it. By following these steps, you have now successfully learned how to control and minimize background noise on Zoom, leading to a clearer and more efficient communication experience. With these settings in place, you're all set for your next meeting, free from unwanted interruptions. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to join us next time for more helpful Zoom tips and tricks.